Hey guys, I hope that you guys are doing amazing wherever you are. My name is Shikha and I welcome you to my channel. I welcome you to all the different videos that I've done on INFJs. I hope you guys find it useful. I hope that you guys are able to use it in order to either be a better INFJ or to be better to an INFJ. And if you guys have any questions, feedback, comments, please message me anytime. I'm always here for you guys, and I'll never ignore you, no matter what, right? Unless I'm dead, then I will. In this video, I wanted to speak to you guys about how INFJs, we hate it when people are loud in any way. Like, really hate it. I really despise it. Like, I feel like a lot of loudness on this planet is just fake loudness. It is in order to garner attention, in order to draw attention towards yourself. A lot of people are really loud nowadays for some reason. I know we have a lot of people on this planet right now, right? Our population is growing like mad, and so in order to get any attention, you have to be louder than other people. You have to wear more garish clothes. You have to wear neon stuff. You have to kind of be blinking neon lights in order to gain attention. Of course, I understand that. And so if you want to be successful, maybe you have to garner more attention. I don't understand the whole point of it. I don't get it myself. But I notice as time goes on that people are getting louder and louder and louder. Not only do they talk very loudly, which is really annoying to me, because why are you talking so loudly? Your friend is right next to you. You do have to let the entire universe know exactly what you're talking about? No, you don't. Please stop doing that. Not only that, but people laugh really loudly in a way that seems very fake to me. And I'm thinking to myself, why are you laughing so loudly? Like, what? Unless like it's like an extremely spontaneous laugh. You know, sometimes you laugh, you're like, oh my god. And so I get it. Oh my god. I don't know how that came across. But yeah, sometimes, there is a spontaneous laugh where people are like, oh my god, that's so funny, and they can't control it. But sometimes people are just laughing for the sake of being loud. And I really despise that. And I'm not even saying it because like I want to be nice or kind. I'm saying it because I hate those people. I hate them. Hate them. So if you're a loud human being, first of all, think about it for yourself. Why are you being loud? Why are you trying to gain attention? You know why? Because you're empty inside. Oh god. Well, that's what I get. That's the feeling I get when people are being very loud. When they're being like really like trying to grab attention towards themselves in a way where like they wear really low cut tops and they kind of lean forward or something. And I'm thinking to myself, I'm a girl. I don't need to see your boobs. I see them every day. Or they'll do things where they're yelling about their sex life, or how like they're fucked up or something, or how they got really hammered yesterday and they had sex with 6 guys or something. When people share inappropriate details very loudly, or just anything really loudly, I'm thinking to myself, why are you guys doing that? What's going on exactly here? Like, what are you trying to show the world? Because all I can see from my end, from being an INFJ, is I see your shallowness, and I see that you're nothing, and you are trying to be something, but you're nothing. And that's what I see, is your nothingness. I don't see anything else. I see the fact that you are empty and you're trying to fill it with something. You're thinking that if you get more attention, you're going to be able to fill it with something, but you're not. What's going to happen is you're going to become emptier and emptier and emptier, and the more loud you are, the more you try to fill that emptiness with something else, the more empty you're going to feel, unfortunately. And that's the way of the world, right? And so I always get very suspicious. I always get really annoyed, obviously, but very suspicious when people are very loud around me, especially people that I know. Not friends of mine, obviously, because I would never be friends with someone who's really loud. But people who I know, like if they're being really loud, then I think to myself, why are you being like that? Like why? What's going on here? What is going on? Did you not get enough attention from your parents when you were young? Or are you trying to prove something to the world that you are cool? Or are you trying to prove to the world that you are worthy or unique? Or what are you trying to do exactly? Like, are you trying to get attention from this guy that's not paying attention to you, or a girl that's not paying attention to you? Why exactly are you being loud like that? It doesn't make any sense to me, and I always get suspicious of those people. And of course, I'm never friends with people like that because I just cannot deal with it. Sometimes I need to be acquaintances with those people, and that's totally fine. I'm acquaintances with you. I know you. I'll say hello to you. As soon as you start being loud, as soon as you start doing all that nonsense, I'll leave. As soon as that happens, I'm done. I am absolutely done. First of all, because my eardrums can't handle it, and my psyche can't handle it. Every single time you are around an INFJ, be very careful not to be loud. Because as soon as you start being loud, it's like instantaneous degradation of their psyche. It's like instantaneously I feel like, overwhelmed. As soon as someone starts being loud around me, or there's a lot of loud noises around me, or a lot of loud music around me, unless I'm dancing and I like the music, as soon as that happens, all of a sudden I'm like, instantaneously I go from 100% of my energy to zero. And instantaneously I feel like, okay, boom, that's it, I'm done. I need to leave. I need to go home right now, right now. Because all of a sudden, all of my energy has been depleted by this loud noise, loud person, loud whatever. Right? And so we really are very careful with that stuff. I don't have any friends who are very loud. In fact, a lot of us speak very softly to each other, and we're surrounded by very loud people. I live in a resort right now. I live in a detox resort, and of course, there's a lot of people here who are on holiday, and I get it. You know, you're on holiday, you're happy, you're with your friends, you want to be loud, you want to play your own music, you want to dance, you want to talk about how you got hammered, or how much alcohol you had to drink, or how many drugs you had, and how you love MDMA, or you love whatever. Like, I mean, I understand, I completely understand. But it doesn't mean that I'm going to be friends with those people, and it does not absolutely mean that I'm going to hang out with them, and it also does not mean that I'm going to hang out around them. So as soon as that starts happening around me, I'll be sitting and journaling, or I'll be sitting doing my own thing as I do. All of a sudden, the volume level goes up around me, and I'm like, okay, time to leave. It's a sign from the universe, go back home or go somewhere else. And I'll move to like the beach sometimes. And, you know, I'll do some things, and all of a sudden, for some reason, you know how we attract people? All of a sudden, the beach was empty, but all of a sudden, I sit down on it, and 3,000 people arrive all of a sudden. I'm like, what the hell? And then they start being really loud, and I'm thinking to myself, okay, fine, I'll go back to my room. And I go back to my room, and all of a sudden, the couple next to me starts having sex really loudly, and I think to myself, God, why? And so I put earplugs on, and finally I can be in peace, right? I'm not even joking, this happens to me all the time. So that's how the world is. You know, the world is loud right now. It's the way it is. It is unfortunately the way it is. And for us INFJs, we hate loud anything, right? I love the birds here because they're like soothing, melodious sounds, right? But and then the brook underneath, there's a river here, and I can sit and listen to her all day long. The ocean, I can listen to her all day long. But besides that, and the cicadas, I can listen to them all day long. But besides that, when humans get very loud, I feel very, very much intimidated by it. I feel drained by it. I feel like, oh my God, it's like warning signals go off in my head. I think to myself, okay, I need to get away from this right now. That's it. I'm done with this crap, right? And so we don't do well with loud sounds, loud noises, loud anything. I don't do good. I don't do well with, you know, clubs. A lot of clubs, because they're very small and closed spaces with the really, really loud music, I can't do clubs, right? I can do loud open spaces. I usually go to bars where they're like right open on the beach, where they have music, but the music is not so amplified because it's an open space, right? It's open to the world, open to the stars, open to the sky. So I can do that. But I can't do enclosed spaces. I can't do bars. Because a lot of the bars have music going really loudly and everyone's yelling at each other, and I'm thinking to myself, why are we doing this to ourselves? Why am I doing this to myself? And so I'll leave. Same thing with baseball games, basketball games. I can't do that. Really loud, really lot of noise, a lot of people yelling, shouting, drunk people, can't handle drunk people. Drunk people are so loud, so obnoxious. So that kind of, unfortunately, excludes an INFJ from a lot of social events, because social events are loud. Unless we're just sitting around in a cat cafe having a conversation with each other, I can do that. But besides that, no. Like, a lot of times I'll be sitting there and I'll have to leave because most social situations are way too loud for me. Not only that, like, I can handle it, but why would I want to drain my energy over something that I really don't like anyways? Why? Why would I do that to myself? What's the point of it? What am I trying to prove to myself? That I'm social? That I have friends? No, I don't need to prove that to myself. So I'll just leave. And that's what I usually do. Again, I hope this makes sense to you guys. I hope that you guys understood what I was trying to get at. I wonder if you guys are exactly the same as me, or if you do like loud music. I mean, sometimes I do know INFJs put on really, really loud music, and they'll just sit there and just let the pain immerse them into them, or they'll kind of immerse themselves into the sadness of the song or the bitterness of the song and let themselves feel. I know you guys do that sometimes. I don't, because I just don't like loud stuff anyways. But I know that you guys do that. So let me know how loud music, loud noises work for you guys. I'd love to hear from you guys. Again, thank you so much for listening, for watching, for being on my channel, and I'll see you guys the next time around. Bye for now.